Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I'm showing how we will download GeoGebra and how we can access different teaching material available in GeoGebra websites. So I'm sharing the screen. So this is the Google website. I'm writing just GeoGebra. Then I'm going to geogebra.org. Here, if we go to the left side, app downloads. You can download the app. You can go to the resource. In the resource, you'll see that thousands of teachers have made different resources you can use as online teaching aids. But I'm downloading the app. So here you see graphic calculator, 3D calculator, geometry, geometry classic 6, geometry, here classic 5. I am taking this is the, for starting initially, it will be better just download. So it is a very small app. It takes very less memory, only some seconds it will be downloaded. Just you see it has been downloaded. Now I'll go for accessing it or installing in my computer. It is asking, will you change in hard drive? Yes. Then it will ask English. Yes. Next. I agree. Then install. So it will just take some minutes. It is creating shortcuts. It is completed. Then I'll go for finish. Next, I'll go to desktop or automatically you will also open. It is opening. Yes, that is GeoGebra. Now, as I already discussed, this is algebraic platform. Next, left to it and right side, it is your for graphs and for geometry also. So these are the points. You can show how to mark the points on the graph using this. Uh, I'll take the point. If I'll mark the point here, we may ask the question, what is the coordinates of the point? Or I may show I'm going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll go for which point is this? That point is your 5 comma 4. So A, this point is B. Now I'm showing, it will show the coordinate also to make the students able to understand better. What I'll write, I'll do right click on it, then I'll go for object properties. It will open. Okay. Now when it will show the objective property, you see this definition. I want it will show the coordinate. So I'll get name and value. Then I'll click see, it is showing a is equal to 1 comma 1. Similarly, I can go for second one also, or I can take another point. Whatever point you will write, immediately it will show you the, I'm writing in a negative coordinate, it will write right click, then your where I'll go objective properties, then it will, I'll write value, name and value, it will give you this is -2 -3. Now I want to this point as bigger one, this point to show with a color. So what I'll do, I'll go to, for bigger one I'll go to options, then rounding up. Here you see the font size. So if we'll take the font 20, you see it will be the bigger one. A is 1 1, C is 2 3. Now I'm making point, it will show the point. I'll color it in some different colors. I'm coloring it. This is color. Click on this. Any color you will find, it will show you immediately. You will find that. I'm closing it. You'll see that it is B is red in color. So any color you can mark the point, you can mark the point, you can draw the line. So once you have downloaded and you try to learn, you can go for the help. There are tutorials, no need of teachers or any training. You can learn yourself, and rest will gradually learn one by one. Thank you. And if you like the uh, video, just click on like. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.